Certainly travel in a tropical area this time of year, right, with these hurricanes and storms can be very tricky, Michelle.
We are at the peak of hurricane season. We've got, of course, Fiona, which is now a major hurricane impacting the Turks and Caicos this morning. And we're keeping our eye on the possibility of another storm developing as well.
Okay.
So let's take a look right now at the conditions. And we'll start off with Hurricane Fiona, which again, the center of the storm battered the Grand Turk Island this morning, going to be moving further away from Turks and Caicos and the Southeast Bahamas. Rain still impacting parts of Puerto Rico this morning. This is up to a Category 3 storm with 115-mile-an-hour sustained winds moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. This is the other disturbance that we're keeping an eye on here. Not organized right now, but our computer models last few runs have started to bring this towards the Gulf of Mexico in the middle and end of next week, potentially as a hurricane. So something to watch for, is, of course, when it's that far away. Shifts in the track are expected, and there's another disturbance up in the north central Atlantic. The National Hurricane Center is showing some signs of development. Again, this is the potential track over the next 5 days, moving it into the Caribbean. As far as the track of Fiona goes, very close to the island of Bermuda, and as a Category 4 hurricane, that would be Thursday night and Friday morning. Right now, it's forecast to track near or just west of the island. It stays away from the U.S. coastline, but could come back and impact the Canadian Maritimes as a strong subtropical cyclone with hurricane force winds. Right now, our Newport camera, calm winds out there along the coastline. We had some sunshine along the shore, but inland we're still mostly cloudy. A couple of rays of sun here and there. We do have the chance for an isolated shower this afternoon and evening. Fall arrives this week, Thursday night, the autumnal equinox just past 9 o'clock in the evening. First full day of fall, going to definitely feel like it. And again, keeping an eye on the tropics. Lower 60s if you're just leaving the house this morning. Overall, upper 60s to low 70s for most areas for highs this afternoon. You can see those thunderstorms from yesterday evening moving out. Our next chance for showers comes second half of the day as this low works its way south and eastward across our area. So it's not a washout of a day, but the chance of getting caught in a shower or two is there, with temperatures in Providence around 70 degrees. Tonight falling to the upper 50s with mostly cloudy skies and fog returning. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's dry most of the morning and early afternoon, and then notice a couple of these spotty showers starting to pop up and pass through. So after school sports and activities, the evening commute could be impacted, at least in a few communities, from these brief downpours and isolated rumbles of thunder. It winds down tonight, tomorrow morning, maybe a little mist, drizzle, and fog when you start your day Wednesday, but drying up and breaking into some sunshine, mixing with the clouds on Wednesday afternoon. As far as conditions on the bay go today, they're light winds and low wave heights, but those wave heights will start to build Wednesday night and Thursday, peaking likely on Friday with potentially along the shore 6 to 10 foot surf. So going to lead to some rip current concerns for Friday and the upcoming weekend. The swells from Hurricane Fiona reach our shoreline. Next few days, temperatures tomorrow and on Thursday in the lower 70s. I am looking at rain at least first half of the day on Thursday. Friday into the weekend, though, looking dry and cool.